Okay, so for the 2006 Dodge Charger, it is true. You have to raise your engine up to remove the oil pan. But give you some good news. Where is it? In my uh, in my oil pan box, and look like I'm gonna be back up under here once I finish doing the top. Right now I'm just doing this because it was leaking oil kind of badly. Then I got to do the fuel pumps. Then I'll come back to this because I'll have to do this before I put the new headers on and all that. But I hope that answers some questions for everybody. It's very easy. Have a good day and a blessed day.